So, good evening, everyone. This is Group 2 Software Engineering at Imbaro University of Science and Technology under the Department of Computer Science. And my name is Marcin Ambrose from Group 2.
Here is Agawa Davis.
Group 2 and Oinevie Marietta. So, we are going to present to you our project of software engineering, and our area of interest was in finance, and we specifically decided to build a personal finance and budgeting application for users. Why? The motivation was like we were inspired by the growing need for individuals like the campus students and low income earners like the small hotels and border guys, also the small shops around, so such that people can control and manage their finances with clarity, confidence, and in a good structure, a structural way. So when someone installs this application on their machines, basically someone has to create an account, right? So I'll be taking us to how someone can create an account. Okay, someone has to register first, but before, someone has to go through this process of creating an account first. But because since we don't we have to catch up with him, I'll have to use the account that is already existing by this day. Let me show you how I can create an account for my users who be using the system. Then, yeah, Alfred. Okay, 25. This is Freddy 1. This is Benja 2. The phone number can say is 567890. Like that. Then I set a password. Our system is basically secure, since it needs someone to put a strong password that is having symbols, characters, and letters as well. Yeah, this account. Okay. Someone registers. Okay. Include. Okay. This was a gmail.com. Okay. It was showing validity of an input field. So that's how someone can register register an account in this application, and after that they will take you direct to the login page, and you have to confirm your email and the password that you used when registering. So after logging in, you'll be displayed to an interface where you have to manage your finances as a personal user. But before that, I'll tell us how this application will work. The application basically to help users to record their finances and expenses. The other thing, it helps them to set saving financial goals. Then the other thing, it also helps them to track expenses over time, like during monthly or annually. Then also, it also helps them to visualize the data into intuitive graphs and pie charts, and also the nice looking dashboards as you can see on my screen. Then the other thing, how this application was developed. Some people are wondering why it's so nice looking. Basically, the application was developed using the Django, that's with Python as the back end, with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript at the front end, as you can see here. And then for storage, we used SQLite, which provides a fast and a swift data handling handling for this sensitive data. Okay. Then what I can also talk about is due to feasibility study, we hope, okay, we aim to like making the project nice. So we hope to make a groundbreaking innovation in this by integrating it with AI that will always give recommendations to someone in case they're overspending, like their spending habits, when they're overing with spending it, they have to save. Then the other thing is we hope to also integrate it with MTN, rather more applications like Airtel services and MTN, such that is connected to other external systems. Then also integrating it with bank accounts. Okay, then the core design of this system is having two ends. First of all, it's having the user's end and the administrator's end. And I will be taking you through how the administrator's end function is. Yes. Okay. Let me switch to administrator. Admin. Definitely, we have to have only one administrator of the system to ensure integrity, to ensure a secure system. With Martin Ambrose. Okay. 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 Yeah, basically that. First of all, the administrator, everything that will be done at the other end of the personal user will be reflected at the administrator side. Like the administrator basically will be managing users, their accounts, and also managing their transactions, whatever that they make. So the major use of the admin that like for they just manage accounts. How they have to verify accounts, they deactivate accounts for those users who might have left, or and also activate those accounts that are still working. Yeah? Then the other thing, they also ensure a secure platform for they ensure a secure platform for users. Like as we see in security, we ensure this CIA trained, that is confidentiality of data, integrity of data, and and availability of data. Yes. So due to the interest of time, since we have to more sensitize the users, we have to focus on the user's end. So allow me invite my next discussant to take you through how the users interact with the system. Thank you.
Yes, good evening, members. Yeah, this is Agaba Davis. I will take you through how the users will be accessing and using our app. So can start from here. I log out. So since our first user has already logged in, for the interest of time, I want to go through the whole process. So I simply log in. Yeah, I simply log in. So when you log in, it will display this interface. So after displaying these interfaces, it will bring for you my finances app, budget section, and saving section. When you come to finances app, my finances app, it has current various sites. Here we have the current period. When you come over the current period, here the current period, it will be showing you the amount of money that you have on your account, or that you deposited on that account on that exact day, or the current deposit that is on your account. When you come to the year overview, this year overview, it will be showing you the trend on how you have been using your money, depositing incomes, expenses, deposits, and whatever throughout the year. As you can see on the graph, the system will be also able to design for you the pie chart showing you how you have been accessing your expenses. Here you can add your balance after buying something. You can come here, say on this date I bought something for this amount. Here the value, you put here the amount and the value, then this is the date, then the type. It can be you want to that amount to come from your current amount or on the savings account. This is the comment. You put the comment here. You say I have withdrawn or I have got this money from my account. It is for like rent, paying rent or tuition. Here income. It will be able to show you the income that you have been adding. It can be basing on this arrow. This is a value. This is the amount of money. This is the date on which that amount of money have been added there. This is the type you can get. It can come as a salary, it can come as a bonus, a gift, as you are seeing here. Here you can come as here. These are is to show the days or weeks on which you have been accessing that money. As you can see here, you can add the outcome. Outcome here, it is what has come out after using your app. As you can see, you follow the same procedure. Here, the list balances. Here, it will be able to show you the balances that you have on your account after accessing or after making those transactions. Now, as you can see, that is what is contained on the finance app. This is the budget section. The budget section has these interfaces where there is add a budget. Here you can make your budget by adding your name and the amount of money you want. You start the date and you end your date as you save. This will show you the budget. Let's say you have a certain wedding, you want to make your budget, you can use this one. This is the category. The category will be showing the amount of the money that you want to consume, on which you want to buy, which products or which commodities. Here there is a transaction. It will be showing you the transaction that you have made in a year. This is the list of the budget. It will bring for you the list of the budget. This shows the list of products. After adding a budget, it will come to the list of budget. After adding a category, it will come to the list of category. As you are seeing, the last one, it is the savings section. The savings section has add savings account, add deposit, add withdraw, as you are seeing here. So when you add a saving account here, a saving account, you are creating an account on which you are going to save that amount of money, as you can see. So it has a name, a balance, and a description of what you are saving to. After adding that savings account, it will come to the list of the savings account. Then after making a deposit, it will come to the list of deposits. As you can see, when you click on deposit, you add your deposit, it will be able to come to the list of deposits. Those digits that are shown, they are already digits that you have been using when you have been testing our app. When you add a withdraw, it will come to the list of withdraws, as you can see. So far, that's how our app will be able to work. Here, what I can also show you is this app will be able to generate a report. Here is how it will generate a report. You click on the current period, you come to the generate report. After you have generated the report, it says generate PDF report. You click in it, it will download. Then here you'll be able to see your report, how you have been accessing and using your app, as you can see. So that's what our app is able to do. I thank you. That's how Group 2 has managed to present.